focus to more big news that we're tracking. This one concerning another meet that's been called. But this is in context of the Delhi polls, because days after AAP's Delhi debacle, beg your pardon, Kejriwal calls meet with Punjab MLAs and ministers. In fact, the meeting is on February 11th at Kapurthala House. Sources suggesting here that meet is likely over the poaching fear. Sources also suggesting the BJP and Congress are in touch with the Aam Aadmi Party MLA. So clearly, significant development. Nikhil Lakwani, my colleague, will help us draw more perspective. Nikhil, good morning once again. With the aspect that Kejriwal has summoned these MLAs from Punjab and ministers for a meeting in the national capital, and the fear of poaching once again coming into context here, what are we given to understand at the moment?
Well, so Nivedna, this is the meeting which has been called by Arvind Kejriwal in the capacity of the national convener of the Aam Aadmi Party, and this is the meeting which is going to take place in the capital city. That means tomorrow on 11th of February, the meeting has been called in at the Kapurthala House, which is the official residence in the city of Delhi for the Punjab Chief Minister. So all the MLAs and the cabinet ministers who are part of the Aam Aadmi Party-led Punjab government, they all have been called in person to meet Arvind Kejriwal. There is already anticipation from the side of the BJP leaders in particular, saying that after losing his seat and the election in the city of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal is now eyeing on the state of Punjab. He may become the chief minister for the state of Punjab. Although these are the baseless allegations, so to say, which are being levelled against Arvind Kejriwal, but this is the important development which is coming in, because also the details are suggesting that the opposition in the state of Punjab might take the leverage of the situation. Currently, the Aam Aadmi Party is already, in fact, already remains in the state of Punjab. This is something which makes it even more crucial that they have to make sure that each and every MLA is in the support of the Chief Minister, that is Bhagwant Mann. So this entire situation becomes even more important. And as you have rightly mentioned, that there are also rumors about the poaching angle as well. The opposition party like BJP and the Congress, they already, spread this word into the public domain that their leaders are currently in touch with a couple of MLAs of the Aam Aadmi Party-led Punjab government. So amid those particular allegations and the speculations, tomorrow is this big meeting which is going to take place in the capital city, wherein Arvind Kejriwal in person is going to meet all the MLAs and the cabinet ministers who are part of the Punjab government.
All right, Nikhil, thank you for getting us those details and, of course, helping us draw more perspective, given the aspect this has been called tomorrow. But for the moment, we leave it at that. But as we track